In this video, I'll guide you through how to target fitness trainers with Facebook ads. If you're promoting a product or service that complements the fitness industry, targeting fitness trainers can help you reach an audience that's more likely to be interested in what you offer. Facebook Ads Manager provides tools that let you build a saved audience around specific interests, job titles, and demographics, making it easier to focus your campaigns on the right people. To get started, open Facebook Ads Manager and make sure you're signed in to your account. From the main dashboard, locate the Audiences section in the left-hand menu and open it. Once you're there, choose the option to create a saved audience. This allows you to build an audience that you can reuse across multiple campaigns without recreating the settings each time. Begin by giving your audience a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. If your offer only applies to people in a specific area, you can also choose the appropriate location. For example, you might target a particular state or city depending on where your business operates. If location expansion is enabled, turn it off so Facebook focuses on the area you've selected instead of expanding beyond it. Continue through the audience settings. You can leave the age and gender settings at their defaults or adjust them if your campaign requires it. If you're targeting English-speaking users, enter English as the language before moving down to the detailed targeting section. At this point, you'll notice Facebook's Advantage Plus audience features. Facebook is gradually shifting more targeting decisions to its AI, but you can switch back to the original audience options if they're still available. This gives you more control over the interests and job titles you want to include. Now begin adding detailed targeting related to fitness trainers. Search for terms such as fitness trainer, certified personal trainer, fitness instructor, fitness professional, health and fitness coach, and other similar roles. As you add more relevant interests and job titles, keep an eye on the estimated audience size near the top of the page. If the audience is too small, continue adding related targeting options until you reach a broader audience that fits your campaign goals. Once you're satisfied with the audience you've created, click Create Saved Audience. Your new audience will now be available whenever you create a Facebook ad. During the campaign setup process, simply select this saved audience from the audience section, and your ads will be targeted toward the fitness trainer audience you've built. That's all there is to it, and you're ready to start reaching fitness professionals with your Facebook ads.